I had a very strange dream last night.
Oh, here we go again.
My Uncle Bob was a king. Or at least I think it was my Uncle Bob. It might have just been some random guy that kind of looked like him. His kingdom that he ruled was a kingdom of Leroys. They were leprechauns, and they had big eyes. Well, my Uncle Bob went to attack a castle. But it was made of pizza dough. The castle, not Uncle Bob. And he ate it. And then the son cooked it. And he put cheese on top. And his leprechauns ate the rest. And then the sky fell down. And they all died. And then I woke up.